I'm going to show you how to get your giz kite up into the sky. Wow! Easy peasy. Now I want you all to give it a try, just like I did.
Yeah!
Wow!
Some Oolies are just naturals, and some are not, huh, Mayor Garth?
Good try, Alva.
I think I need to practice. Your turn next.
Go, Mayor Garth.
You don't look foolish at all.
Good effort, Mayor Garth. Let me help you.
Thanks, Alva.
Let's spread out and practice.